Oh my gosh. Those guys are fat. Look at the one over there. The ones laying, they're so fat they're laying in the bottom. So we're at the Japanese Friendship Garden here at Balboa Park in San Diego. As I get older, I've loved gardens. And I got some of the family members here, so let's go.
Rolling down the highway, the camera's on the roof. We're chasing all the stories, getting every goofy proof. From the tallest bike in city to a diner shaped by salsa. No place too weird, no road too long.
Welcome back, Oscar. Yeah, Carl here. If you're not familiar with the channel, we're a family travel vlog. We love to go to local spots, tourist attractions, and weird and wacky places. So we're at Balboa Park. Great thing is there is parking, lots of it. Problem is you have to be patient because you have to be circling around until you find one. So if you have to be there at a particular time, I would suggest getting here half an hour earlier than the time you thought you were supposed to be here. After the Cannibalism Museum, it's time to go to the Friendship Garden. It's supposed to be a Japanese garden. I've not gone there, but it's part of the Go City all-inclusive pass. The one nice thing is everything is around the same area. If you have the Go City, a lot of these museums are included into it, so you can really spend a whole day here easily. Balboa Park is really pretty.
It is. There's a lot to do here too. So many things to look at.
So many different museums. But Melissa was saying that it was like San Diego in a whole. It's just so clean. In this area, it looks like you've kind of like got transported to a different time period. I can't wait to see where we're going.
So this is one of 2 outdoor organs in the entire world. So on Sundays, you can come here, I think it's at 1 p.m., and listen to someone play it. It's really nice.
Do you know where the other one is?
I have no idea. It's in the country. This is the only outdoor organ in the country.
Okay. General admission is $16. Last admission is at 5 p.m. And I got the Go City.
Right, you're good to go.
This is really pretty. I don't know why, but as I get older, I have appreciation more for botanical gardens and gardens like this. Make sure you stay to the end to find out what our rating is for this place. You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of Mr. Miyagi's garden. For those guys younger, wax on, wax off.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
There's usually purple flowers that are bloomed up here in the springtime.
But it's winter. Oh my gosh! Those guys are fat. Look at the one over there. The ones laying, they're so fat they're laying in the bottom. I think they're as big as Gabe.
That one looks like the twins.
So in Illinois, everything is dead. Snow's covered. I'm just happy to be able to take a look and check out all these great things. And surprisingly, the kids were super excited to come here. But I think it's because of the cousins. I think just like when Eiffel and Lee would come here to see our cousins, now it's the younger kids and the cousins all hanging out together. And I think these kind of memories is something, you know, I'm trying to foster and have that in their memory banks. I can't see one of these bonsai trees without thinking of Karate Kid. You know, with Mr. Miyagi pruning it, teaching it to Daniel's son. And every time it goes there, it kind of brings me back to watching that movie.
Oh, is he a gardener?
Fisherman.
Fisherman. These are really beautiful.
There's all along there. There's some of these that are like 50 plus years.
I never noticed. Thanks for pointing that out.
Yeah. This one, 80 years.
Oh, this one's 45 years. Wow. And let's see how long this one is. He's 80 years. 80 years to have that. That's a lot of work and patience. I don't know if I could do that, guys. What's the oldest you found so far?
I think that one.
Okay. 55.
Oh, wait.
Uh-oh, we got a winner. An oldest
So it
one.
says estimated 150.
What? Let me check this out. Oh my gosh. You gotta take a picture of that one. 150. I'm glad the kids ran away because I don't want them. Last thing I need is them breaking a 150-year-old bonsai tree. We'll start again from scratch. Well, thanks. This is much more fun when you look at the years.
Yeah, yeah.
This is my problem. I never read the stuff. I'm just happy to look at these things. Oh my gosh! Look at this guy. 40. Now this looks like a lot of work when you have multiples. So this path is kind of long. Kind of like weaves you in and out of the garden area, so you see like different levels. But now I gotta find where Eiffel is. Those bonsai trees were wild. Never knew you could create them in such different ways.
Hello.
I lost you guys at the bonsai tree.
Dude, we're at the lower level garden.
I know, I'm looking for you guys. Some strangers started talking to me about bonsai trees. Look how big this place is with all the different levels. Oh my gosh, what is that?
It's a slug.
So we have a membership to the Japanese Friendship Garden because it's very tranquil and very peaceful, especially here in San Diego. I mean, we have the ocean, but if you want something really peaceful, this is the place to go. In the springtime, when the cherry blossoms are blooming and all the other flowers are blooming with all different colors, it is so pretty. So I highly recommend it.
So when you get to this point, there's a little steeper, takes you around, but you can go back around is how we went, and you come back around here. A lot of beautiful sights to see, very calming, and I'm gonna have to give this a rating of 8.1, but I think it's gonna be way higher if it was like during the season. It was a fun stop right here at Balboa Park. I just can't believe how much stuff you can do here